Hello Grand Tour fans and welcome back. This week we break down the trailer of the first episode of season 4 of the Grand Tour. There seems to be a thing about the name of this episode. On all the official channels like here on YouTube, on Twitter, Facebook, they gave the show the title The Grand Tour Presents Seamen Official Trailer. But we can hear Jeremy clearly saying in the intro, "Welcome to the Grand Tour production of Seamen." Something he confirmed last Saturday when he was at the Jonathan Ross show. Let's take a look.
Welcome to the Grand Tour production of Seamen.
No, I don't like boats and I don't do boats, end of.
Well, you're about to.
We get to see the trio together here while Richard makes it clear that he doesn't like boats and he doesn't do boats. But we know better. Remember the boats they were made in the past for that show we don't mention here? Or the unforgettable Hoover van? And also in the Grand Tour, Richard really enjoyed the speedboat he was in Venice for the episode Opera, Arts and Donuts in season 1.
The challenge is to cross the Mekong Delta without any issues. 3, 2, 1, go!
We hear Clarkson saying that the challenge is to cross the Mekong Delta without any issues. Well, that wasn't that hard because, as you can see here, there was no rain while filming, nothing special with the weather. While in normal conditions, it really pours rain down there. This leads to Clarkson mentioning in the press he has seen global warming in person.
Damn it, I'm enjoying it!
The speed!
Into the reeds!
We saw Jeremy in a military PBR, which was especially built from scratch for this episode. Richard can be found in a Miami Vice styled powerboat. Miami Vice was a police action TV series from the 80s. James May opted for a more classic boat. He used a 1939 wooden river cruiser.
I can't steer it. Oh, no. Sorry.
Hi, we're experienced travellers passing through.
As you can see, there is a lot of clouds on the horizon. And that's because there was a monsoon when they started filming right here at the South Chinese Sea. The weather became so heavy it was very dangerous and several boats of the crew came in problems. And James May had to be rescued. It was really a lucky escape for them, especially if you realize that just a few miles from where they were filming, 4 fishermen were killed by the weather conditions.
I'm not sure we can do this. No!
It's gonna snap.
Oh my God! Please pull me along. This is no time for cocking about.
Well, this is crap, isn't it?
I'm trying to catch up with people I don't even want to be with anyway.
Oh shit!
No. I fucking hate boats!
It's impossible to think how this could be worse. We need sleep.
That generator goes all the time.
No.
Why do we do this?
It's a boating holiday.
Yeah.
The glamour.
Don't quit because we still get a little banter from the guys making a lot of fun.
What could possibly go wrong? Hammond, the nav's gone.
Oh, well, it's done us a lot of good so far, hasn't it? Ah, we've lost the thing that's got us lost.
There are no cars in this episode. But does it make this episode worse or than any other episode before? I don't think so. This seemed to look like a terrible good episode, exactly in the way we're used from this trio. This upcoming Friday, December 13, this episode is available on Amazon Prime, and I hope to be one of the first to see it. Next week we'll be back with a review and with an awful lot of news, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Meanwhile, check out our website, thegrandtourfans.com, where you can find numerous interviews with the trio, the producer and behind the scenes information. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.